Today we're covering Total Recall.
I don't know how it compares to RoboCop, but there were over 3,000 squibs that went off in this movie.
Dude.
Please don't clip this in, dude. Please.
It's happening.
You guys know, like a few years later, like Brandon Lee was like, I don't need squibs, guys.
Oh no! I can't help but think of that scene on Saturday Night Live with the Taster's crystals.
How dare you! They'll be here any minute. They kill you all. What the hell is he talking about?
Thing from Idiocracy that they
Yeah.
use like the drill dozer.
Oh yeah.
Melina takes him to see Kuato.
Great. Start the reactor.